Hey everybody, this is Christina with another tutorial on a DIY storage container. So right here, I'm starting a new project, okay? So you start off with a blank page and then I'm just going to add some text. And I think I use more and stuff. I think that's what I did. Yeah, that's what I did. So that's what I'm typing up right there, okay? And so I want to go ahead and pick whatever font that I'm trying to use. So with Cricut Maker and Cricut System, they do have a lot of different fonts to use. And then if you want something custom, then you can just go to dafont.com and download it for free. So here I'm just changing stuff. I already updated more, so now I'm going to update stuff. Okay, I think I'm going, yeah, so I pretty much use the same style. I don't remember which one I use, but if you want to know what type of font that is, then I can update that in my description box or just leave a comment and then I'll update it. Okay, so I'm just updating it, and then as of right now, I'm changing the dimensions, the width and the height of where I want it to fit, and I'm going to show the subject later in the video. I bought like this glass container to put on my desk. And so I'm just choosing the right dimensions so it can fit properly on the actual container. So there I'm just changing the color. Doesn't matter, it's based on whatever your vinyl is. Here, if you do two different colors, then the Cricut is going to read it as two different cuts, because one is going to be cut on a different mat with a different vinyl, as well as with the red. So if you have with the black, that's one cut, and then with the red, that's three different cuts. So I think I eventually went back and changed it. So of course, you always constantly save your project anytime you update it. So there, yep, that's me changing it. So I want the more to be a different color, but I'm gonna choose a different color vinyl on my mat than the stuff. Okay, so you just hit the make it, and then of course you just space it out on your mat. Of course, like I said, I want the more to be a different color, and then I want all of the word stuff to be the same color. So I'm putting that in a different area with a different color vinyl. And the vinyl that I use is a 651. It's a permanent outdoor vinyl, so it repels water and all of that. So there I'm just sending it to the Cricut Maker, and I chose vinyl because that's the type of vinyl, so it knows how to cut it. And then there it's just detecting the machine, which is the Cricut Maker machine. It always takes a little while to do the finalization. And then it started cutting. In my previous video, I showed the process of it cutting. But I think I might show it in this one as well. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's still cutting. Tells you the progress all the way up until 100% when it's finished. So yeah, still cutting. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there it goes. This is the process of cutting. So that's me on the mat. Like I said, I wanted the more to be a different color, which is the mustard color. And then the three words stuff are in black. And so that's the actual Cricut Maker. If anybody have questions about the Cricut Maker or want to learn how to do anything else, then just leave a comment below as well. So here it's just in the process of cutting all of the 4 different words. And like I said in my previous video, my mat is a little older, and sometimes I don't like it to be a little tacky. So the fact that it is older is not as tacky, but I do tape it down with masking tape so it doesn't shift around during the cutting process, because I did that one time and I didn't tape it down and it just tore all of that paper up. So I just pretty much learned my lesson. And plus with the masking tape, it's not really sticky and it won't leave residue on the vinyl transfer tape, or the vinyl transfer. So yeah, still cutting. I'm just making sure it's not going to lift. Pressing down the masking tape. So now it's done. Okay, and then that's the glass container that I want to use on my desk. Okay, so that's the glass container. That's me after I weeded out the negative part on both of the vinyls. So yeah, pretty much just going to use binder clips and stuff like that in there. So I'm taking the transfer tape. You can get that at any craft store or you can order it online. That's the Cricut transfer tape. That's the Cricut scissors, Cricut weeder, everything. Okay, so I'm just actually making sure that it's down enough before I peel off the Cricut transfer tape. Yep. So I wanted to say more stuff, and I wanted to say stuff all the way around the glass. Thought that was kind of different. Something simple. I didn't want it looking too plain on my desk, of course, you know. Problem of a DIY person, you gotta DIY everything. So yep. Just making sure it's down enough before I peel it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm telling you, with this Cricut Maker, you could do so much with that. I mean, I'm just learning every day. I just love it. But yeah, I think I have one more piece of vinyl to do. Maybe not. Is that it? I guess it is it. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe and tune in to the next set of videos I have for the rest of the month. Bye.